Hi guys, this is Miss Montes here, and I'm going to show you real quick how to make a Flipgrid. So I'm going to open my browser and type the Flipgrid URL that I gave you guys on Canvas and that I sent you guys to your Learn account emails. So I'm going to type it in, which is flipgrid.com/00BB83CB. And that link should take me to the Flipgrid page where I have instructions for you guys on what I'm expecting. So this Flipgrid is our class introductions. Please record and introduce yourself and include your name, where you are from in Ventura County, and share a fun fact about yourself and a place that you'd like to travel to. Then you're going to hit this red button here that says record a response. You're going to click that, and it's going to ask you to join with with an email. I prefer if you guys used your Learn accounts. So I'm going to press Gmail, and then I'm going to find my Learn account. This is my professional account, and this is my school Learn account. So learn.conejosusd.net. And then it's going to take me to a camera. And this is what I look like right now. So then I'm going to press this red button here with the camera to record. Hi, my name is Miss Montes, and this is my recording. Then I'm going to press that same red button to end the recording, and then I'm going to hit next over here. Hi, my name is Miss Montes, and this is my recording. Hi, my name is Miss Montes, and this is my recording. So I'll let you review the recording. So let's say you didn't like what you filmed. You can add more, or you can change the recording. I'm just going to leave it like that because I don't mind. So then I'm going to press next. And then it's going to ask you for a selfie. So here it goes. This is my selfie. And then I'm going to press next. And it's uploading my video. So I'm going to type in for display name, my name, so that I can give myself credit. For you guys, you write your name so that I can find you and give you credit for this assignment. This link you're going to leave blank, and this title you're also going to leave blank. And then you're going to find this blue button and press submit. And there you go. That is how you do a Flipgrid. Then you're going to press complete, and there you go. All done.